Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Integromat templates for multi-step integrations, full guide step by step clearly. To download Integromat templates for multi-step integrations, first, navigate to the Integromat website. Once the home page loads, log in to your account. After logging in, go to the Templates section in the main menu. Browse through the available templates to find the one that suits your needs. Click on the template you are interested in to view its details. Review the description and the steps involved in the integration. If the template meets your requirements, look for the Use Template button. Click the Use Template button to begin the setup process. You will be prompted to select your connected apps for the integration. Choose the relevant accounts for each app tied to the template. Once the accounts are selected, proceed to customize the settings of the template. Adjust any specific parameters as necessary for your workflow. After finalizing the settings, click on the Continue button. Confirm that everything is set up correctly before saving your changes. Once satisfied, click the Save option to include the template in your dashboard. You can now access and modify your newly integrated workflow at any time. To create additional integrations, simply repeat this process with other templates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.